This is a 1909 Underwood No.5 typewriter. This particular typewriter has been repainted because it was reissued in the 1940s. The machine also has the newer style green keys that were installed on a lot of Underwoods, Royals and Remingtons in the 1940s when they were returned to the shop to be refurbished. That's why there is no decal on the paper table. I bought this machine in late 2009 on a garage sale. The machine came from a former war veteran. He said he had the machine for over 60 years and he's used it all that time. When I got it, there were a lot of things that needed to be done to it. One of the things was it was covered in nicotine staining, and that took a long time to clean off. However, the result was really good. Chrome on this really came out very nice. It was just yellow from nicotine, and now it's all polished and shiny. As is this chrome. It has all these standard features, as you can see, so red and black color. Although I do have the camera on night vision because the lighting is so bad, but you can see it better this way. This machine has 4 margins, tab stops. That is the carriage shift spring. This is the carriage tension drum. Just the old style still. As with many Underwoods from this era, the feet have disintegrated and it's currently standing on screws. These typewriters take these standard twin spool ribbons that you get at Staples, so the one that is installed is from there. Paper still grabs very well. Also not that common for old Underwoods. And there you have a type sample of this now 107-year-old typewriter. It's quite amazing. And considering how it feels, it really is a really well maintained machine that definitely can last still a long time. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.